So, ito pa ang sistema, mga kababayan. Allegedly, nung namatay itong taong ito, nataranta ang mga hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin nila kasi hindi nila mako-cover up dito kung ito ay totoo. 7 hours after the death nitong taong ito, tsaka na lang daw nila, di o mano, ni-report sa authority. Kasi hindi nila pwedeng pagtakpan. May mga tumangka na ibalik ka agad ang bangkay sa Pilipinas. But you cannot do it in America. Kasi dadaan ka sa proseso. Kapag suspicious ang kamatayan ng isang tao, kasi hodang ikaw ay powerful na personality, kasi hodang ikaw ay powerful artista o whatsoever, hindi ka makakalusot. Paano ngayon ninyo pagtatakpan na may kasama kayong nategi dito sa Amerika pa nategi sa Los Angeles and sa Beverly Hills? Social ang kinamatayan. At least, namatay ka sa Beverly Hills. Saan ka namatay? Ay, hindi ka na pa napakakasagot. Saan namatay yung friend mo? Doon sa Beverly Hills. Kung ito ay allegedly 7 hours na report, ang kanyang kamatayan, may mga titignan na anggulo ang authority. Pwedeng nag-obstruction of justice, tampering, pagtatakpan mo, baka gusto nilang sabihin, inatake sa puso. For sure, baka yun kung sa Pilipinas kasi pwede nilang palabasin na inatake sa puso o na ganito na ganyan kasi nababayaran lahat ng kapulisan. Pero dito sa Amerika, mga palangga, hindi mo pwedeng harangan o hindi mo pwedeng i-cover up yung pagkamatay ng isang tao kasi mananagot ka. Kaya I hope managot si Lisa Tanas dito dahil kasama niya ito.
No, essentially, this is a development which is being handled by other agencies, especially the DILG and the PNP, DOJ. So we defer to all activities or matters on this issue to them.
Once he's been behaved, so what would be the procedure plan of the
I'm really not familiar with the procedure because, as you know, we're not a member of the ICC. So, in fact, we've not been in communication with them ever since we left.
Once trial begins, ano yung magiging role ng Philippine mission natin sa...
Oh, I can't speculate. You have to see how events unfold. But I think the best is to ask the agencies which are to get involved.
Sir, may any directive ba from the President regarding this sa post natin?
Sir, kailan expected yung pagdala sa kipas na Duterte?
I'm not really familiar. I can't really answer. But I had a good meeting with Sulinya.
Mr. President, may violation ba ito sa ating soberanya, itong pagkaka-aresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte?
No. Bakit naman? Dahil consistent naman tayo. Hindi tayo tumutulong sa investigasyon ng ICC. Meron tayong contact sa kanila, natural. Pero no, not on an official level. We didn't help them in any way. The arrest that we did today was in compliance with our commitments to Interpol. It just so happened that came from ICC. But it's not because it came from ICC. It's because it came from Interpol.